Today's video is about my 2006 Honda Odyssey, and this van has over 260,000 miles on it. Yes, you heard that right. 260,000 miles, and it's still running strong. In this video, I'm going to restore and polish the headlights because over time they've become cloudy and yellow. That oxidation makes the van look older than it really is and reduces visibility at night. I'll show you step by step how I bring them back to clear, glossy condition. It's an easy DIY job that instantly makes the vehicle look fresher and more cared for. But this video isn't just about headlights. This is the Honda Odyssey, and honestly, this van deserves some respect. Under the hood is the 3.5-liter V6 engine, one of Honda's most proven and reliable engines ever built. When properly maintained with regular oil changes, timing belt service, and basic care, these engines can easily go 300,000 miles or more. Even at 260k, it still starts smooth, idles quietly, and drives confidently. Transmission? Still working. Suspension? Holding up. Interior? Surprisingly solid for its age. That's what I call real durability. And here's the best part, this van is a true money saver. No monthly car payment. Low insurance costs. Affordable parts. Easy maintenance. If something needs fixing, parts are everywhere and mechanics know these vans inside and out. Compared to buying a newer vehicle with high payments and expensive electronics, this Odyssey keeps more money in your pocket. People always chase the newest cars, but sometimes the smartest move is keeping something that already proved itself. This van hauled family, tools, road trips, daily errands, and it just keeps going. It may not be flashy, it may not be fast, but it's dependable. And reliability is underrated. So today we're giving it a little refresh with polished headlights, because even at 260,000 miles, it still deserves to look good. Old doesn't mean finished. Sometimes old means legendary.